Which list shows the numbers not in order from least to greatest? I'm going to go ahead and start this with bucks. We're going to bracket the question, which is the entire problem. Which list shows the numbers not in order from least to greatest? And then we need to underline and circle. Whoops. Sorry about that. Key words and important numbers. Not, I'm going to circle it. I know it's not a number, but it is super, super important. And we're looking for least to greatest. There is no operation to use for this. But we want a false statement. It's not going to work. Whoops. So I'm going to write false because that's what we're looking for, not a true statement. So we need to find one that is not ordered least to greatest. So letter F, we're going to look at the first place value position on each one, which is the 4. Every one has a 4. We cannot tell from that point which one is smallest. Then I go to the next one. We have 0, 0, 2, and 2. Well, we have the zeros that are smallest, so they're in the right order. And then we go next door to the 3s and the 8. 3 is smaller than 8, so that is correct. We go to the next one. We have 2. There could be a 0 behind there. This 4 and 20 hundredths is less than 4 and 201 thousandths. Therefore, F is a true statement. It cannot be our answer. Okay, so we're going to go to G. We look at the ones place, which every one has a 3 in it, so we cannot tell from there if they're ordered least to greatest, so we go next door. We have a 0 and a 1, a 6 and a 9. Well, 0 is less than 1, so this one works. Then we have 6 is greater than 1, but less than 9, so that works. So G is a true statement. H, we have 6 in the ones on every single one of them, so we cannot tell from there. Cross that out. We'll go next door to the tenths. We have a 4 and a 5. Well, 4 is less than 5, but let's go to the next one. We have a 3 right here. 3 is less than 4 and 5. Therefore, this number right here is out of order. So this is a false statement. We go to J. J in the ones place, every one is a 7, so we cannot tell from there if they're ordered the correct way. So we go to the tenths. We have a 3, a 3, and a 4, and a 5. Well, the 3s are less than 4 and 5, so those are good. So we go next door to the 1 and the 8. 1 is less than 8, so these are in the correct order. And then we have 4 is less than 5, so these are correct. J is a true statement. H is the only one that does not work. That is a false statement.